got the hoses off the trans cooler. They're just chilling. Mr. Burns, you getting ready to get that expansion valve out?
Yep.
Nice. It's got 2 Torx screws, and then we gotta put fresh O-rings. Remember to oil it. Remember, if you love her luber.
I don't know nothing about that. Yeah. He's yawking you.
Okay, and I'll be right back. Expansion valve is out.
What's this back for?
Big old pack of O-rings. That's everything you need to reseal the whole deal. You want to grab the expansion valve? There it is. Is it a legit Motorcraft? Oh yeah, of course it is, because I buy nice stuff. Imagine that. Did the kit come with one too? I would obviously use the Motorcraft before I'd use the other one. Yep. Yeah, let's use the Motorcraft.
Motorcraft.
And check for O-rings. Does it got O-rings with it? Or we got to get them out of the pack?
Hold on.
Well, I'm excited.
Can I open it?
No. Maybe.
Is that it?
That's it. Let's pull these off. Lube her up gently.
What's that?
What? That's the thing that that's supposed to hold the lines on. Because some of them have real thin flanges, depending on what. Because this is for more than one car.
Oh, okay.
You know how Ford goes. They'll use everything 59 times.
Okay.
All right, looking good. Carry on, my wayward Burnsy.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you do.
Does it go on like something like this, that way?
This is the side that goes towards the inside of the car.
Okay.
See, he just nasty.
Okay.
No lemon pledge.
Kind of like this.
Like this.
Ow. My nose. My pussy hurts.
Is it bleeding?
Might be.
Look at that. All right, carry on, sir. All right, expansion valves in. Getting ready to run our new hoses. Got a couple of them already in, it looks like. You got 2 new hoses in already, Burnsy?
What's that?
You already got 2 new hoses?
Yes. It's not tightened all the way down, so it's leaving like for wiggle room and all that.
Nice.
But I did lube up the little seals O-rings on it.
Nice.
So yeah, I got this one that goes to the dryer that I'm getting the mounting bracket together.
Back together. Yeah.
We got the big guy that goes all the way down the compressor. That's why we put it on a lift so I can get underneath there.
Get the compressor.
Get the compressor changed out. Get these new lines. Just one question for you because I haven't done this part before.
Yeah. Yeah.
That guy.
Oh, orifice tube.
Yeah.
Some of these came with an orifice tube, some of them did not. If you have not found it in any of the hard lines yet, then this one does not use it.
Okay.
It's a half do, half don't, because this model year, they were kind of like one of those transitional years. So,
okay.
new compressor, ready to go.
Like I said,
Getting this guy buttoned up.
they usually glue those back, glue together.
Yep.
Where's the zip tie it?
Put 2 zip ties on her, call her good. That'll hold it nice together, the bracket. Fresh hose. You like your hose fresh, don't you?
Especially clean.
Fresh is
Shaven.
So clean. Ooh, wait a
Oh.
minute. That's a little far. Anyway, all right. Ooh, we got lots to do tomorrow. You're going on an adventure in the morning.
My favorite rocket ship.
Yeah. Don't take forever, damn it. Anyway,
Nah.
this is going on.
75. Cruise control.
There and back, baby.
Music blaring.
That's the spirit. Nice and easy.
Nice and pretty.
All right, remember fresh O-rings everywhere.
They all got it on there.
It's all good. They're all nice. Everything's good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, plugging away. Good job, Bernsey.